Only 1 cup of oats a day. Better than pizza. I eat this every morning and lost 20 kilo. Hey there, viewers. Welcome back to Health for You. Today I'm sharing something simple yet incredibly powerful. Something that completely transformed one person's life. Imagine eating just 1 cup of oats every morning and losing 20 kilograms without strict diets, crazy workouts, or giving up delicious food. Sounds too good to be true? Well, it's not, and I'm going to show you how it works. In this video, we'll go through 5 amazing oat-based recipes, both savory and sweet, that are so tasty they might even make you forget about pizza. By the end, you'll understand why oats are one of the healthiest, most versatile foods on earth, and how they can help you achieve your fitness goals naturally. Why oats are a game changer for your health. Before jumping into the recipes, let's understand why oats are so special. Oats are a whole grain superfood packed with fiber, protein, vitamins, and antioxidants. They contain a unique type of fiber called beta-glucan, which helps reduce cholesterol, regulate blood sugar, and keep you full for hours. That's why many nutritionists call oatmeal the perfect breakfast for weight loss. Instead of giving you a sugar spike like white bread or cereal, oats release energy slowly, keeping you energized, satisfied, and mentally focused all morning long. And the best part? You can prepare them in hundreds of ways, whether you like something warm, crispy, creamy, sweet, or savory. Oats can do it all. Recipe 1. Savory oats with eggs and herbs. Let's start with a delicious protein-packed breakfast. You'll need 1 cup oats, 2 eggs, 1 cup milk, a pinch of salt, some paprika, chopped green onions, and a bit of Provençal herbs. How to make it? Mix all ingredients in a bowl, whisk them well, and pour the mixture into a non-stick pan. Cook until golden on both sides. That's it. You've got yourself a quick, filling breakfast that smells amazing and tastes even better. Why it works. Eggs and milk provide high-quality protein, while oats deliver slow-releasing carbohydrates and fiber. This combination stabilizes your blood sugar, reduces cravings, and keeps you full for a long time. It's like having comfort food that secretly helps you lose weight. Recipe 2. Oat and vegetable pancakes. Perfect for detox days. If you're craving something light and refreshing, this recipe is for you. You'll need 100 green oats, 2 eggs, 100 green plain yogurt, 1 grated carrot, 100 green shredded cabbage, salt, pepper, and a bit of olive oil for frying. How to make it. Combine all ingredients, form small patties, and fry them on low heat until golden brown. The result is a crispy, savory pancake full of natural sweetness from the vegetables. Why it works. This recipe is packed with fiber, vitamins, and probiotics from yogurt. It helps cleanse your digestive system, supports healthy gut bacteria, and provides a slow, steady energy boost. If you're feeling bloated or heavy, eat this for breakfast or lunch. Your body will thank you. Recipe 3. Cheesy oat loaf with seeds. Bake once, eat all week. Now let's talk about something hearty and practical, the baked oat loaf. Ingredients: 200 green oats, 1 TSP salt, 2 TSP baking powder, 150 green yogurt, 3 eggs, 50 green mixed seeds, chia, flax, or sunflower, and 100 green mozzarella cheese. Instructions: mix everything together, pour into a baking pan, and bake at 180 degrees, 360 for 40 minutes. Once cooled, slice it into pieces and store it in the fridge. Why it works. This one's great for busy mornings. You can prepare it ahead of time and simply reheat a slice whenever you need it. The seeds are rich in healthy fats and omega-3s, which protect your heart, while oats and cheese supply long-lasting energy and essential nutrients. It's crunchy, cheesy, and incredibly satisfying, yet still light enough for a diet-friendly meal. Recipe 4. Sweet vanilla. Oat pancakes. Craving something sweet? No problem. This recipe satisfies your sweet tooth without ruining your progress. Ingredients: 2 cups oats, around 220 grams, 3 TBSP honey or natural sweetener, 1-2 tsp salt, 4 eggs, 250 ml warm milk, 50 g melted butter, 1 tbsp vanilla extract, and 250 ml water. Instructions: mix all ingredients until smooth, then pour small portions onto a non-stick pan and cook like regular pancakes. You can top them with banana slices, berries, or a sprinkle of cinnamon for extra flavor. Why it works. Each pancake contains only 150-200 calories, but is rich in fiber and protein. The vanilla and honey make it taste like dessert, but it won't spike your blood sugar like traditional sweets. It's the perfect weekend treat that's both guilt-free and nutritious. Recipe 5. Banana Oat Energy Bites for busy mornings. For those who don't have much time in the morning, here's the simplest recipe of all. You'll need 100g oats, 150 ml of warm water, 2 ripe bananas, and 1 tsp vanilla extract. How to make it: mash the bananas, mix everything together, and bake or pan fry for 10-15 minutes. The result? Small, chewy, naturally sweet bites that you can grab on your way to work or the gym. Why it works: bananas provide fast energy, while oats give you long-lasting fuel. This combination makes a perfect pre-workout or on-the-go breakfast. Plus, there's no added sugar, just pure, natural sweetness from the fruit itself. The science behind oats and weight loss. So, what makes oats so effective for fat loss? It all comes down to how they affect your metabolism and hormones. Fiber and satiety. The beta-glucan in oats absorbs water and expands in your stomach, keeping you full for hours. Stable blood sugar. Oats have a low glycemic index, meaning they don't cause sudden insulin spikes that lead to fat storage. Heart health. Regular oat consumption can reduce LDL cholesterol and support cardiovascular health. Hormonal balance. A high-fiber diet helps regulate appetite hormones like leptin and ghrelin, so you naturally eat less without feeling deprived. Gut health. Oats nourish your gut microbiome, which plays a major role in digestion and fat metabolism. It's not just about calories, it's about how your body responds to the food you eat, and oats simply check all the boxes for sustainable, long-term weight management. Tips to maximize your results. Here are some simple ways to get the most out of your daily oat routine. Choose rolled oats or steel-cut oats. They're less processed and richer in nutrients. Avoid instant oatmeal packets with added sugar or flavoring. Add fresh fruits, nuts, or seeds for variety and extra nutrients. Keep toppings simple. Too much honey or butter can add unnecessary calories. Combine your healthy breakfast with light exercise, like walking, yoga, or stretching, to accelerate fat burning. And remember, consistency is key. You don't need to starve or punish yourself. Just replace your heavy processed breakfast with oats and stick to it for at least 3 to 4 weeks. You'll start to see the difference not only on the scale, but also in your energy, skin, and mood. Final thoughts. A small change that brings big results. 1 cup of oats may seem small, but it can make a huge impact on your health and lifestyle. It's inexpensive, versatile, and incredibly easy to prepare, yet powerful enough to help you lose weight naturally and maintain your results long-term. Instead of reaching for fast food, sugary cereal, or pastries in the morning, try one of these 5 oat recipes. Each one is unique, delicious, and designed to keep you full, happy, and healthy. With just a few simple ingredients and a few minutes each morning, you're not just making breakfast. You're building a healthier version of yourself, one meal at a time. Closing message. Thanks for watching, everyone. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Health for You for more tips on nutrition, weight loss, and natural living. Remember, small,